Hi, everyone! Today we bring you an installation video for Dazuma's premium indoor wall lamps. Inside is one large accessory bag containing 4 small bags of crystals, pendants, 1 bag of mounting screw sets and screws, and 1 bag of metal mounting pins, 1 copy of the instruction manual, 1 product display light channel, 1 product base. Don't forget there's a second layer inside the packaging box. Take out the 4 large triangular crystal glass pendants. First, remove the grounding wires from the base. Unscrew the 2 mounting screws from the base and set them aside for later reinstallation. This separates the base from the product's mounting plate. Next, we'll assemble these 3 components together. First, remove the mounting screws and metal rings from the product bracket light channel. Next, we connect the base to the product bracket light channel. Thread the loop on the product's ground wiring through these 2 power cables. First, thread the previously removed retaining ring through both product power cords. Then threaded the mounting screws through the 2 power cables and tightened them. To assemble the large triangle pendant with the 4 small bags of crystal pendants, we recommend following the sequence of Arabic numbers on the 4 small bags. Each large triangle pendant should be paired with 1 small bag of crystal pendants. Each small pouch contains 2 small crystal pendants, which are attached to the 2 ends of the large triangular pendant. Thread the metal wire from one end of the small crystal pendant through the small hole in the triangular pendant. Then press down on the metal wire that has been threaded through to keep the small crystal pendant securely in place. Please continue installing the second small crystal pendant using the same method as before. Therefore, the first large triangular pendant and the first bag of small crystal pendants have now been assembled. Now assemble the second large triangle pendant with the second bag of small crystal pendants. Now assemble the third large triangle pendant with the third bag of small crystal pendants. Now assemble the 4th large triangular pendant using the 4th bag of small crystal pendants. Assembling the 4 large triangular pendants and 4 small crystal pouch pendants is now complete. Place the product's mounting plate at the location where you intend to install the product. Then mark and drill holes. Hammer the nail sleeves from the small accessories packed into place. Attach the screws from the small accessories package to the product's mounting metal plate. Connect the power cord on the product base to your power supply. Place the product cover back on and reinstall the 2 mountings, screws that were previously removed. Install your own light bulb into the product's light slot. Install the triangles in sequence, starting with the one featuring a small crystal pendant. Remember to press the metal eyelet on the small crystal pendant during each installation. Product installation completed. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.